Basic American by Gramfield is a leading manufacturer of beds, serving the senior living industry for over 40 years. We proudly manufacture our beds right here in the USA in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, to the highest safety standards. Basic American beds are certified transport devices that pass threshold clearances at all heights, meaning that our beds are ideal for moving through doorways in emergency evacuations. Sealed ball bearings in the joints allow silent, maintenance-free operation. Silver solutions can be found in the powder coating to provide antimicrobial service protection. The Zenith 7200 bed has a 550-pound safe working load, a height travel range of 7.95 inches to 30 inches, and has an adjustable surface deck that extends from 80 inches to 84 inches. This bed is shown with our standard deck. A slide-wide deck is also an available option. Thank you for tuning in today. As part of our service and offerings, we are happy to schedule an in-person demos at your facility or right here in our Atlanta showroom. Speak with your sales rep for more details.